Summers are fast approaching, and this summer heat can cause you to feel tired, can cause hormonal fluctuations, can increase your inflammation, plus it also causes dehydration. Especially females' body are more sensitive to this summer heat, and that's the reason females need to pay special attention to their body this summer. So today I'm going to share with you this special drink which is going to boost hydration, help rebalance your hormones, and also help you to power up your energy all natural way. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician. I help people reverse their chronic conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. I work with several female clients, and what I have noticed is that several of them feel worse during the summer months. Some of them will feel more drained out, they will feel dehydrated, several of them feel that their hormones go out of whack, and some of them will have energy crashes. So that's the reason it is very important to prepare your body for summers so you don't have any of these problems. Now let's first understand why summer heat especially causes this chaos in female's body. Now let's first understand why female hormone imbalances gets worse. Now female hormones like estrogen, progesterone and adrenal hormones called cortisol are very sensitive to stress, diet as well as the environment around you. Now summer heat is an extra stressor on female hormones, and that first causes dehydration in your body, especially you lose a lot of minerals. These minerals are very important to balance your cortisol levels, and unfortunately a lot of times the cortisol level rises up during the summer months, and this high cortisol level indirectly affects your female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. So that's the reason you might feel more hot flashes, and you might also feel your PMS symptoms or your menopausal symptoms getting worse during this time. All of these hormonal imbalances will ultimately cause you to feel more stressed out, more anxious, having more mood swings, plus you will feel more energy crashes. Along with hormonal imbalances, this summer heat also causes your body to lose a lot of different minerals, especially electrolytes like sodium, potassium and even magnesium. All of these minerals are very important for your thyroid hormone production as well as play a very significant role in keeping your energy up because they support your mitochondria. Now a lot of people are trying to drink more and more water during these months, but water alone will not hydrate your body. So that's the reason you need special electrolytes to hydrate your body. Plus you need other specific vitamins and minerals as well as some adaptogenic herbs which is going to help you rebalance your hormones as well as help your body to detoxify excessive toxins that your body accumulates during the summer months. So that's the reason you need to prepare your body for summer heat so it doesn't cause any more troubles to your health. So let me first share with you different ingredients of this summer drink and how they will help you to be healthy during the summer months. The first ingredient over here is coconut water. Now coconut water is also called nature's Gatorade. The reason being it is rich in electrolytes, especially potassium and magnesium. Both of these minerals are essential for muscle functioning as well as keeping your nervous system in good shape. Thereby, it will prevent getting any unnecessary muscle cramps as well as will keep your nervous system in good shape so you will not feel extra stressed out or anxious. That's the reason coconut water is a great hydration solution because those electrolytes will make sure that water reaches inside your cells and it will help you to hydrate your body really good. The second ingredient over here is cucumbers. Now cucumber is 90% water, but along with water, it has other vitamins, especially vitamin K, C as well as B vitamins, as well as it also has minerals like potassium and silica. Now cucumbers play a very significant role in flushing out toxins, especially in the summer months. So that's the reason cucumber not only hydrates your body but flushes out toxins from your system. The third ingredient over here is ginger. Now ginger is a very powerful anti-inflammatory substance, plus it also boosts your immunity. Plus it is also really great for digestion. Now this is really great for people who have high amount of inflammation, especially during the summer months. So ginger being a very potent anti-inflammatory herb will lower inflammation in your gut as well as overall inflammation levels in your body will also get lowered with it. The next ingredient over here is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very high in vitamin C as well as it makes your body alkaline. Now in summer months, especially our body becomes more acidic because of dehydration and losing the essential minerals. And this is where lemon juice will actually make your body alkaline. Plus, vitamin C in lemon juice supports your adrenal glands, and helps in rebalancing your cortisol as well as your female hormones. The next ingredient over here is mint leaves. Mint leaves have cooling action on your body. So they are really important to use during the summer months. By cooling your body from an inside out approach, it reduces inflammation and helps your body to function better. And then we need electrolytes. For this, you can either use pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, because that will give you an extra boost of electrolytes which is needed in the summer months. As a last thing to add to this drink, you can always add some adaptogenic herbs like either ashwagandha or maca powder. Ashwagandha and maca powder will both help your adrenal glands to function better, especially if you're feeling very tired or fatigued. Then both of these adaptogenic herbs, ashwagandha and maca powder, can really help in boosting your energy. Especially maca powder will help in rebalancing your estrogen and progesterone. So if you suffer from female hormone dysfunction, then this will be a great addition to this drink. Now let's talk about how to prepare this drink. So majority of my client will actually make a stock solution so they can use this drink for whole day purposes. So for that, you can take a big container, you add 2 cups of coconut water into it, then you can add 1 cup of filtered water into it, then you slice half a cucumber and put those slices into this water. Then you squeeze in 1 lemon into this water, and then you can put a handful of fresh mint leaves. If you do not have fresh mint leaves, you can always use dried mint leaves also. And then to this mixture, you can add a pinch of Himalayan salt or pink salt. Now, if you are going to add ashwagandha powder or maca powder to this drink, then it will not dissolve easily into this drink. So for that, you can first dissolve these powder into a little bit of warm water and then add that paste to this drink. Now, as you will see, this is a big drink and you don't have to drink it all in one go. The best way to put it in a container and put it into your refrigerator and leave there at least for 20 to 30 minutes so that all the vitamins, minerals and antioxidants from all the things you have added will come out into the drink. And then after that, you can consume it. And as I said, don't consume this drink in one go. The key to hydration is that you need to hydrate your body a little bit throughout the day. So you start your morning with 1 glass of this drink, and then around midday you can have another glass, and then in the evening have another glass of this drink. So this will help you to keep hydrated and energized throughout the day, making sure that you get the right vitamins, minerals throughout the day and not in one go. So that's it. This one secret drink that every woman should drink this summer, because this is going to make you feel refreshed, energized, balanced throughout the day as well as throughout the summer. So this summer, give this drink a try and see how good you feel. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.